Hello friends, welcome to my channel Junior Tech Shikshak. My name is Harman Khosla. In this video, I will tell you how to make a QR code of an image that you find on Google. Like if I got a good image on Google and I want to make a QR code of it. So in this video, I will tell you this trick. So let's begin. First, open Google and like if you like the image, like for demo, I will search here images. Okay, I search here. Like if I took this image, okay, this image, then you have to open the image. This is the demo image. You can take any image you like. Then I will go on the image, then right click, then create QR code for this image. Then click on download. Now it will be downloaded. Then go on the file explorer and go on the downloads. Okay, here. So click on the QR code. This is the QR code for the image. Now I will scan it and show you. Uh, I'm opening the scanner. Wait for some time, it's opening the scanner. Yes, it's open. Now I will scan the QR code. Yes, it's scanned. Now I'll click on it. See, here is the image. This is the image. This is a phone, so that's why it is image is too small. So if you take any image, so it will work. So this was a trick I wanted to share with you. Have a great day.